In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to manage your products and services efficiently. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for a larger company, knowing how to streamline these elements can significantly enhance your workflow. So let's dive in and explore these easy steps together. First things first, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. If you haven't already logged into your QuickBooks account, now is a good time to do so. You'll be greeted by the familiar dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial activities. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, offering various helpful features right at your fingertips. Once you're in, the next step is to locate the Sales and Get Paid section. You can find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section is crucial as it houses all the information related to your sales activities. It's your go-to spot for managing invoices, tracking income, and, most importantly for today's task, overseeing your products and services. Click on Products and Services within this section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a list of all the products and services that you currently have registered in QuickBooks. It's a comprehensive view, allowing you to assess at a glance what you have active and perhaps what might need some adjustments. Each entry comes with a series of actions you can take, providing flexibility and control over your offerings. Now let's say you have a product or service that you wish to deactivate. Perhaps it's something seasonal or a service that's no longer in demand. QuickBooks allows you to make these changes seamlessly. Next to the item you want to deactivate, you'll see a drop-down menu positioned neatly beside an Edit option. Clicking on this drop-down reveals a list of actions you can perform. Here, you'll want to select Make Inactive. With a simple click, you're effectively removing that product or service from active duty without deleting its information altogether. This can be especially useful if you anticipate reinstating the item in the future or need to reference it in your records. And just like that, you're done. QuickBooks has made managing your products and services straightforward, allowing you to keep your business running smoothly with minimal fuss. Remember, maintaining an updated list helps in accurate accounting and reporting, ensuring that you're always on top of your financial game. Thank you for joining me today as we tackled this task within QuickBooks. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each time you interact with these tools, you become more adept at maximizing their potential for your business needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out additional resources. Stay tuned for more tutorials just like this, and happy bookkeeping.